Today we're gonna make a quick and easy pesto pizza sandwich with a baguette. Let's start off by cutting the baguette in half. We're gonna trim off this little bit here, cut it right down the middle, flip it open. We're gonna start off with some pesto sauce. So let's put it on one side of the baguette. Now we're gonna put our pizza sauce on the other side of the bread. That. Now we're gonna put some shredded mozzarella on both sides of the bread. Just like that. And now on the tomato side of the bread, we're gonna put some chorizos. And we're gonna put a little bit more mozzarella. Now let's prep it for the toaster oven. Now you're gonna cook it till the mozzarella starts bubbling. Sprinkle some parmesan on top. And there's your pesto pizza sandwich. Let's have a bite. Simple and easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, please help me out by subscribing to this channel and check out these other great videos.